Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my caliente kitchen. Potato papas in Spanish, by the way. Well, today we are going to discuss about potatoes. Why? Well, I don't know if you knew, but August 19 is National Potato Day. Love it. And I cannot live without potatoes. You know why? Because I'm Peruvian. I grew up in Peru, and I don't know if you knew this fact, but in the Andes of Peru, across Peru, there are more than 4,000 varieties of potatoes of all different shapes and forms and colors, purple, yellow, and a combination of all of these. Potatoes are so nutritious, they have fiber, vitamin C, you name it. They are great food. Now, you can boil potatoes, you can fry potatoes, you can bake potatoes, you can do anything with potatoes. Today I'm gonna air fry the potato. I'm actually gonna boil and air fry the potato. I am making Parmesan crusted potatoes. You're gonna simply love this recipe. Are you ready? Let's get cooking, my friends. So for this recipe, I use these bite-sized creamers, yellow and red. I boil these potatoes for about 12 minutes, and now we're gonna mash them. And I just use a mason jar. Anything that can mash them, crush them, do it slowly. There you go. And that's it. I'm gonna mash them a little more. That's it. Okay, so if it gets stuck, what you do is just with a knife, pull it out. And there we go. Now we're gonna add olive oil on top of them. All right, and the seasoning will be a little bit of sea salt, dry oregano, and then we're gonna add about a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese on top. So now we're gonna actually place them on an air fryer rack, depending on the air fryer that you have. And now we're gonna actually put them in the air fryer for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And let's go do that. All right, so here they are, nice and warm. Delicious. All right, so now let's garnish these Parmesan crusted potatoes. I like to use, this is fresh oregano on top. And then I like to use sun-dried tomatoes. Will give it a beautiful touch. And voila. And now, my friends, the best part, the taste. Perfecto. The oregano, the cheese, the Parmesan. This is really good. You better make it because you're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. So run to the supermarket to get your potatoes, and perhaps this National Day of Potatoes, August 19, you'll make this dish. And send me photos. Put photos in the comments once you make it. And trust me, you're gonna love it. Your children can make this recipe. All right, my friends, thank you for watching. And again, the recipe is in the copy of the post. And also remember, visit my website, Villacorta.com, if you need more recipes, videos, books. And also now I am offering a weight loss program, a virtual weight loss program, if you need a coach to help you get in shape and get to the weight goal that you like. Thank you so much, and until next time, my friends. Bye now.